In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF file. First, log into your account. Make sure you're on the correct website and that the address bar shows a secure connection. Enter your credentials, complete any verification prompts, and wait for the dashboard to load. If the page seems stuck, a quick refresh usually helps, but give it a few seconds first so everything can initialize properly. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner of the screen for a blue button labeled New. This is the starting point for adding items to your workspace. If your window is small or you're on a narrow display, the button may compress slightly. Maximizing the window or scrolling to the very top can make it easier to spot. When you see it, click the blue New button to open its menu. From the menu that appears, select Upload File. This option is different from Upload Folder, which is meant for entire directories. Choosing Upload File tells the site you want to send a single item from your computer. Go ahead and click Upload File, and your system's file picker will pop up. In the file picker, navigate to where your PDF is stored, commonly the Downloads folder, your desktop, or a dedicated Documents folder. If you have many files, sorting by file type or searching for .pdf can speed things up. Confirm you're selecting the correct document by checking the file name and, if visible, the preview or file size. When you've found the right one, select it and confirm by clicking Open or double-click the file to begin. You should now see the upload start. Most platforms show a progress bar or a status indicator. Keep the browser tab open and avoid navigating away until the upload completes. Larger PDFs or slower connections may take longer. That's normal. If you see an error, double-check that the file is indeed a PDF and that it isn't larger than any size limit your plan allows. A quick network check can also resolve intermittent failures. That's it. You're logged in, you clicked the blue New button, you selected Upload File, and you chose your PDF from your computer. Once the progress shows complete, your document is available in your workspace and ready for whatever you plan to do next. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a refresher.